Next, we're going to cover the double O-ring seal on the Waukesha Universal 3 pump. You got your wave spring seat. Notice your two flats. Align with the two flats on the shaft. Install. Make sure it's seated. Now you have your wave spring. Install on the shaft. Shaft O-ring. Install once it's lubricated. Next, we have our seal housing. Notice the flush ports. They will install aligning with the slots of the body. Notice your two O-ring grooves. We'll take two body O-rings, install. Once both O-rings are installed, lubricate. Seal housing has an O-ring also. Install on the seal housing. Install your seal housing on the body. Next, we have our O-ring sleeve, our O-ring. Install the lubricated O-ring onto your sleeve. Notice your two notches. They'll align with the two pins on your rotor. Install that. Make sure you're seated. Install your body. Tighten your body retaining bolts. Align your splines of your rotor up with the splines of your shaft. Install. Install your jam nut. Once your jam nut is torqued, the seal assembly of the double O-ring seal is complete. We hope you enjoyed this pump training video. Additional videos and other helpful resources can be found on our website. Once again, I'm Kevin with F&H. Thanks for watching.